Just realized I should have went over a couple pointers. So what I did was I would cut the first one, or the end, get my 45 here. Now this is going to sit flat, so I need a normal 45. I do not need a compound angle. Maybe we'll do a frame some point using compound angles. But in this case, I need a straight 45. So I would get these two ends done, making sure that the outer edge is the long point, which if you mess up, which I did, I ended up having to grab another board, so I'm going to actually make another frame, a little smaller frame, or maybe the same size, but I didn't need the extra length because it's only going to be a single layer. So then what I did was I found out where I need my line, and then I would cut them both at the same time. So they were cut together and they match. And then with these, since this is a double layer, I had to know how much is this going to overlap. So how much is this? How much is going to show here? And it needs to be consistent. So to do that, I used just a straight board that was about the right distance and matched it up like that to give me my angles. And that way I could know where I was going to cut this one. And then once I had that distance, I had to be consistent so that I have the same amount showing, same amount of butternut showing all the way around the frame. So that was the toughest part, probably, is getting all these cut. So once they're cut, then I took them over here, and I had mentioned how I like to put a little bit of angle on that, so I just rolled it around like this on my belt sander to get a little bit of this angle right here, so that when they come together, if they're not totally perfectly flat, you can't tell. Okay, so now I need to clamp them down and get my hole started for fastening these together.